Hello fellow viewers. Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We hope you all are doing great. What does it mean when UKVI says your application is not straightforward? UK Visas Immigration may notify you by email that your pending visa application is not straightforward. Does this mean your application is more likely to be refused, or just that one or more factors are preventing a decision from being made sooner? No matter which application you may have made, UKVI will likely have a standard processing time that you can use as an approximate guide for expecting an outcome. This will vary depending on the type of visa and whether the application was made inside or outside the UK. The waiting time for your application officially begins once you have either attended your biometric appointment at an appropriate visa application centre or when you have verified your identity using the official UK Immigration ID Check app. This is because your application will not be considered valid until either of these requirements has been met. For example, if you are inside the UK and you submitted an online application for indefinite leave to remain on 1st February 2024, but did not attend your biometric appointment until 1st March 2024, the standard 6-month waiting time will end on 1st September, not 1st August. If you have received a notification from UKVI stating that your application is not straightforward, you can expect it will be for one of the following reasons. 1. Your supporting documents need to be verified. 2. You need to attend an interview. 3. Your personal circumstances require more consideration. 4. Processing delays. Let's look at these in more detail. Supporting documents need to be verified. You have likely submitted a variety of documents with your applications, often including bank statements and other official documents from third parties. If there is any difficulty with the verification of these documents, UKVI will require additional time to verify their legitimacy. Your circumstances require more consideration. If your circumstances are more complicated than those of most people who have applied for the same visa, UKVI will normally extend the time taken to consider your application. This could be, for example, because there are exceptional or extenuating circumstances that make your eligibility more difficult for the decision-maker to assess. In some cases, you may also be asked to provide additional information to help UKVI make a decision. It is important to note that any application may be subject to further checks, regardless of if it is a standard, priority, or super priority service application. If you have paid extra for a faster decision, you may seek a refund of that payment only if UKVI has not informed you that your application is not straightforward within the expected timeframe. Processing delays. UKVI has seen considerable backlogs in recent times. Your application may have fallen into these categories, in which case, there is little that can be done to speed things up. Does this mean your application is more likely to be refused? Receiving notification that your application is not straightforward or does not fall within the standard processing time is not an indication that it will be refused. What can be done? Delayed decisions can be frustrating, inconvenient, and even disruptive. Most people make visa applications around their already busy schedules, sometimes with detailed plans of what they want to do and how long for once a decision is made. Unfortunately, these plans may be impacted by longer processing times. If your complaint is not upheld and you live in the UK, we may then consider contacting your local MP for assistance on your behalf. MPs can intervene and request further information directly from UKVI if your MP is unable to speed up the decision or you live outside the UK, and therefore are unable to enlist the help of an MP. The final step would normally involve taking legal action against UKVI. No matter what stage of the application process you are at, contact us for expert immigration advice to professionally and efficiently deal with your case.